Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I thought I'll do a car unboxing. I see people do it, so maybe I'm just being a copycat. Yes, so something has arrived. I have been buying like some vintage bags and they are starting to come in, and this will be the third one. So we'll see what it is. I've waited for this one for so long. And for those who don't know, I bought this one off Hadrian from It's Hadrian on his YouTube channel, and it is a Coach vintage bag that is made in the US. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Yes, wait. Oh wow, it's lime green. And it's like a little tallish satchel, top handle. Wow. Some tiny little dots of dirt or color transfer, but I knew that. But it's not very obvious. It looks more obvious on camera, but it's actually not that bad. Beautiful leather. Wow. Stop sniffing bags. And magnetic button. Oh, long strap. Oh, nice. And look at this beautiful gold brass hardware. I love it. And if you've been watching, if you had watched my mulberry video, you would know that I'm still after a mulberry lily in the pistachio color. And the pistachio color is very close to this color. It's that yellow based green. That's like a pistachio nut color. Oh my goodness. So this can be it until I find a mulberry one. And it has the original swing tag in leather. I really like the swing tag in leather. And the gold hardware, this brass hardware. Oh wow. Love a little satchel with a top handle. Let's check out the inside packaging. So the style number for this is 4158. So this is a Coach bag. It was handcrafted in the United States of completely natural glove-tanned cowhide. The variations in the grain are characteristic of natural full-grain leather. It's a very nice and clear printing. This is the year it's made. So K6H4158. Very cool. And it's unlined. See, I love unlined bags. That means that the leather has to be made so well. So this is the slip pocket. Hang on, let me just, yeah, zipper slip pocket. Wow. Oh my gosh. And there's a one large compartment, and then it's also unlined with yeah, it's unlined, so it's just the suede part. And the little Coach zip pull. Oh, nice, smooth, good quality zipper sound. I like that. Yeah, so it is a bit tarnished, but that's okay. I have some cleaner that I can clean it with. Little bit of mark on the inside pocket, but that's fine. The smell is really good. There's a bit of a vintage smell, but that's what this kind of paper is good for. It can absorb the smell. Oh wow, I'm so happy. Gosh, Hadrian, thank you so much. And I love how the zip also, not zip, sorry, the magnet button also, I'm not sure if you can see, it has engraving about the part number, I suppose. Oh wow, it's better than I thought. Okay, so there are some color stains and color transfer, but it's a project bag, a little bit of a project bag. Yeah, I'll get stuck into it. It would take me maybe few goes at it, but I have a very good leather, like it's a color transfer cleaner. Goodness, how nice, how nice. And yeah, it's relatively quite soft, slouchy, only because it's been used. I'm sure if it was brand new, this kind of leather would not be would be a lot more structure, but I think this is the kind of bag that can benefit with a little bit of a purse organizer, just so that it keeps it a bit more structured, but it's small enough that I won't lose anything in there. I love this size. This size is great. Bit of color, I think it's like water stain here, but that's all right. That's okay. Wow, vintage Coach. The leather is amazing. The leather is amazing. Goodness. All right, let's put this thing back to keep its structure. Yeah, vintage Coach. I've had 2 already previously, which you would have seen, and I am so not disappointed. Can I stuff more in? All right, let's stuff more paper in to keep the shape. Oh wow, goodness. Oh, lovely. So lovely. It is so lovely. Wow. Okay, and I love this little swing tag. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. So cute. So cute. Okay, yeah, cool. Right, like and subscribe everyone, and thank you for watching.